Installing solar
Alright,
panel
as you
on
can see,
off-grid
this one they
cabin.
have on a little porch roof, a little veranda roof. So take off the zinc them there. And we're gonna replace it with a solar panel. We have 3 of them solar panel there. And we're gonna drop right on the front there so. And the house kinda angle already where one sun is out. You see it's on the right hand behind the cloud there so. So this picture the sun out in a full force. It'll go you know, knock the panel them right the sun and get the proper voltage out tight. Cause right now I just have it right on this and I have it plug in and it'll get charge up my Delta EcoFlow right there so. So if you don't want information, just link me man, I can go and link them. Charge up my Delta Flow. I have my little portable charger I go and charge my headphone, and this is a portable refrigerator I go and beat. See, it's 41 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. So yeah, I have some little juice and thing in there. See frost on the side so you know fridge will kick. And thing is this a charger, portable charger. I get 150 watt right now. So yeah, them panel is a 550 watt panel. So I put 3 550 watt panel up on top, cause you know you're not gonna always get perfect sunlight, so I do a little bit over what I need. So even if it's cloudy like this now, it's so cloudy, and it's still a charge and I run fridge and all them things that fight. So yeah, stay tuned.